welcome back to another video, and today we are just carrying this baby elk back to our den, where almost all of our puppies have grown to 15 pounds. And yeah. So yeah, we're almost there. I don't like how the bear, JUNO didn't eat and the bear came. I saw him from a mile away and yeah, he came and now JUNO has nothing to eat. I mean, it's kind of her fault. Oh, the moose car's already been eaten a little bit. You got your pick of elk or moose? You only really get moose when you're a pup. You don't really get it when you're an adult. Unless you eat the babies. Oh, Trinity's gone for the elk. So is Atlas. Oh, Pumpkin. No? Pumpkin's gone for a moose. See which one's more popular. Arlo and Mango. Oh, they've all gone for moose. Moose is popular. Bambi. Oh, that's not Bambi. What's that? It's a rabbit. Right. Puppies. Let's go sleep. We are almost all 15 pounds. Trinity zooming up there at 16 pounds. Like, that is ridiculous. Like, Trinity is massive. Who's hungry? Looking for any predators around. Oh, okay. Well, there we go. What are we taking? I'm going to take moose. And then the puppies can eat the elk. Unless JUNO's hungry and wants to eat the elk as well. Aww. Hi, cuties. You look just like my puppy. Oh, and you know, in my last video I said I was going to get a puppy. I did, and we called him Ace. Oh, you're done? We're done? Yeah, we're done. I don't really want to stay anymore. Dogwood herd. Yeah, that's dogwood. So let's go. Is everyone following? Oh, my camera's doing something weird again. There we go. Are we going the right way? Yes, we are. Actually, I can remove that marker. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. What I like to do with the rendezvous sites, I like to sleep a lot. It just helps the pups grow, you know. I think we're sort of close. Kind of close. Territory's doing fine. I don't know how close we are. There's a animal up there. I wonder if our carcass is still there. We'll have to see. I mean, sure, a hungry bear would eat that whole thing. Don't know what that is up in the distance. It might be a moose. Oh no, I swear, if you trample one of my pups, that's going to be the end of you, mule deer. Just go around her. I swear on my life I will kill you. Yeah, don't you dare. No. Don't do it, Arlo. Come on, puppies. No. Don't even think about it. Just making sure she doesn't have any ideas. No. Come on. No. Don't start chasing after them. Come on, puppies. Yeah, no. No, don't you. There's a baby moose. Come on. Hurry up, puppies. I'm going to get that baby moose up there. Because then we'll have two mooses. Ah, there's bison. Why? Scar. I don't like how there's bison. Come on. I'm gonna go hunt Oh, there's an elk herd. Perfect. I'm actually going to hunt this little one first. And then bring it to our pups, and then we're going to hunt that elk herd down here. This is, like, glorious. Ah! Not that. That's not glorious. I don't want the elk herd to run away. Because if it does, I think we're going to try and kill more than one elk. Because, you know, and then it's just a source of food. And we don't have to go hunt. And it's really, because it's really near our territory. I really don't like those bison being there. There's a mother elk over there. There's so many animals over here. We do want to get as many as we can get. Maybe we can go hunt maybe we can go hunt that baby elk as well. No, no, no! No, no, no! Oh, no! Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, my God, I don't know what to say. I can't believe that just happened. Oh, my God. Oh, no. I'm really sad now. Oh, no. Oh, no, I didn't expect that to happen. I think we're just gonna hunt these elk. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. I don't think Rocket's really processed that yet. It just died right in front of him. Oh, my God. Of course it did. Oh, wow. I think Rocket's just in a state of shock. He don't think he realises at all what's going on. I think we should get this one. Oh my God, I can't believe that happened. Why? I hate bison so much. Oh, I don't think he's processed that yet. I think when he finishes his hunt, he's going to realise that Olive's not there. Oh, I hate bison so much. Oh, there's a mule deer right there. Hi, mule deer. Oh my God. Oh my God, I can't believe that happened. Oh wow. I can't believe... Oh no. You gonna go have a nibble? Do you know? Do you know you're really hungry? Why aren't you eating? Is it because of this? Do you want me to get rid of her? I can get rid of her. Let her run away and then you can eat. Here you go. Come on, eat. Are you seriously not going? I can't believe that happened. Oh, poor Olive. Oh no. Do you really want to go? Oh, okay, I guess we're killing her then. There you go. That was easy. You go for the final blow. Good job. Yeah, I guess we can mark that too. Actually, no, it'll be right next to it, won't it? Are you going to eat? Juno, please eat. Why aren't you eating anything? I think we're going to hunt another elk. I'm still, can't believe that happened. Wow. That's really, can't believe little Olive. Oh. Oh, little Olive. Oh, I was not expecting that to happen. Good job, Juno. She's not eating now. She's probably really sad. She's eating, yeah, 114. Good. Wow. I can't believe that happened. You poor thing. Right, let's just go hunt one more of these. We'll go for this one. Wait, is that elk still there? I saw some crows and a dead elk. Go just on this one. Scare. Come on. Oh, I can't believe that happened. Oh no. She's really going for it, isn't she? You've stopped. What about you? No, you're healthy. Oh, I think we're gonna go back. Oh, I can't believe that happened. Oh wow. Wow, wow, wow. That's really sad. Oh, you poor thing. He's gonna get home and realise that Olive's not there, and he's gonna realise, oh, must have killed him. I think that elk was still there. I just saw it. Yeah, no, that's not it. I swear I saw that. I swear I saw it. There you go. Oh no, she was laying down. Okay, enjoy. I might try and find her baby actually. There we go. That's easy. Oh, I can't believe that happened. Oh wow. Oh wow. Don't just have to take a moment. Oh, could those boys have moved? Oh no. There's no footprints, we were gone for ages. Got an elk for you guys as well. Oh my god. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.